Efficient fuel consumption. Easy installation. Constructed from high-quality material. Manufactured with precision to meet OE standards. Denso Oxygen Sensor is designed to detect the amount of oxygen in the exhaust stream. It is constructed from high-quality stainless steel, porous polytetrafluoroethylene, fluorine rubber, aluminum oxide, high-grade platinum and ceramics. This sensor features double protection layer, aluminum oxide trap layer, porous PTFE filter and stainless steel housing. It is manufactured with precision to meet OE standards. This oxygen sensor can be installed easily and ensures longevity. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly like original. Exactly like the original. Installed 3 months ago, no issues. This was a $500 repair job at Toyota. Hardest time was uncoupling the old connector because it was hard to reach with both hands.